We just got to Denver. We are going to the Christkindle Market. We're doing the drone show, which supposedly the best view is at the top of our hotel at the rooftop bar, which is why we booked it there. And then we're also doing an elf pop-up bar, which is supposed to be elf themed everywhere. So stay tuned, enjoy. This is coming out on Christmas Day, so I wanted it to be a very Christmassy video.
Valerie, Kyle Travel Channel.
Okay, we're walking into the Christkindle Market. Even though it's early, it's not even nighttime yet where you can see all the lights. There's still a hustle and bustle. The first thing we did was go into the beer tent, and it's more like the drink and music tent, to get some glue wine, which is warm flavored wine. He got blueberry, and then they come in these commemorative mugs every year. Most of the mugs were sold out because people collect them, so it's kind of a big deal. You can see it. I didn't get a good picture of it. It's very tiny. So we each got pierogies. We got some goulash and a cabbage roll. The pierogies were so delicious. My grandma used to make pierogies, but she made special ones that were blueberry. They were the absolute best. Nothing compares to hers, but these were pretty good. Here's a nice view from kind of an elevated stage area. You can see it's kind of starting to get dark. There are so many people. There's a giant tree in the back that's lit up. We're going to see a little bit later. And here's some of the shops. This chocolate shop has been there quite a few years. They're all made of chocolate, but there's little guitars and tools and all different kinds of things. It's very interesting. Brats, food, you name it, they have it. We didn't get any of these, but they all looked and smelled delicious. There are pretzels everywhere, and they have little Matryoshka dolls. Those are there every year, along with just all kinds of different decorations. We did stop and get a little apple strudel to try. We ended up with an end piece, and I don't know if there was enough filling. It kind of wasn't as done. I guess the apples were still a little hard. That part was a little bit disappointing. We could have picked a better dessert. This is the tree that I was talking about. It is all lit up, and the coolest part is the outside looks a certain way, and then you can go on the inside and look up, and you can see all the shapes that it was making, where the outside looks kind of weird and doesn't look like it has a rhyme or reason. And then you get inside, and it's super cool. So I'm going to put some music on and let you enjoy the inside of the tree, and I'll be back. We just got to the rooftop, and this is for the drone show. That's where it should be, and there's no seating left. We got here 20 minutes later than we wanted, but I think we should still be able to get a pretty good view. Hey. It's exciting. Stop it.
There's Elishes on there.
Okay, there's Cap City Tavern. Oh, you can see in the back window there's like some lights and stuff. It looks non-discreet, nothing special about it. This is where the elf pop-up bar is supposed to be with some elf themed food. I don't know what that means. So we're gonna go find out because we're really hungry. I don't know what I was expecting for the elf pop-up bar, but the storefront was very pretty when you look inside. It's very festive. Here's the advertisement that came up for it, and it looks like everything is decorated top to bottom, and they said they had different food, elves all over the place. I got a son of a nutcracker. I did really like the drink. It was delicious. It was a peppermint chocolatey drink. Those are my favorite. He ended up getting the world's best cup of coffee, and it was really sweet. And normally I like really sweet drinks. That one was not for me. I made the best choice with the drink that I got.
Okay.
Good thing we decided to split food because this is a gigantic basket of chicken fingers and fries, rich buffalo barbecue ketchup. Okay, I'm gonna start with the good things that I enjoyed, which were the elf decorations. Those were super, super fun. The food was delicious. It was so good. The fries, I didn't get a video of them, but they were just like, I want to go back and get more fries there. My drink was awesome. I really enjoyed that. There were little wreaths everywhere. They put a lot into the decorations. They had an elf name that you could pick out, right? You've seen these before based on the first letter, the letter of your first name and the month you were born. So we had Bobble Silver Bells and I was Noel Pom Pom. Those were very cute. You could tell they put a lot of effort into a lot of it. The things that kind of caught us off guard were we played a bingo, 3 rounds of bingo, and we played elf trivia based on the movie, which we really enjoyed. The prizes were kind of just like either a little tiny candy cane or a sticker. And if you've ever been to trivia or bingo at a brewery or a bar, normally you just get a free pint or a free drink. And with the amount of tickets they sold, because every night was sold out, we were there on a Sunday night. That was the only day that I could get tickets. They were $15 each, and the prizes were just kind of lacking for the amount that we paid to get in and enjoy the experience. I guess that's really my main thing is like just toss a free drink out there and everybody would be happy. But I'm glad we did it once. I don't think we would do it again. But if you like the movie Elf, they had it playing all around the bar and they had little quotes from the movie. It was enjoyable. I hope you enjoyed seeing all the festivities that are going on in Denver. That's just a portion of what you could go do. So we're back to the hotel, headed out the next morning. I hope you enjoyed seeing the experience. Let me know if you decide to do any of these things. Happy holidays. Merry whatever you celebrate. Click here to see another weekend we did in Denver that was super weird. And then click here to see how we spent our time in Vegas.